Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our morning time, drive time update here in Vietnam, guys. And the weather is fantastic here. It's about 30 degrees out there, so everything is looking very good. And I'm so excited that, we saw that yesterday after the, Biden executive order that was leaked to Yellen and Velen in the House, we saw that crypto is going up. So things are looking better than they were, 48 hours ago. We're seeing the fear and greed is up, so that is really good news. We're seeing that the BTC has come down a little bit. Dogecoin has come down a little bit from its highs yesterday, but I don't think that's too much to worry about. Typically, Thursdays we have some pumps, but however, something huge is going to happen in about, in around about 15, 20 hours from now. We've got the whole CPI and jobless data that's going to be coming out. So depending on how that goes, we could see that, Bitcoin and Dogecoin could actually have a swing low and could, in fact, go down, down. So, my perspective on things, everybody, is that we're probably going to see some bad data for the CPI. So expect Bitcoin to go below 39,000 in by this time tomorrow. So right now in Asia, things are still looking pretty much green, but we could be seeing that a Debbie Downer bear could be actually coming out there. So hopefully the alien in the house can have something to do with that, and hopefully that will take us to a better place, or at least we can hold our own where we are right now. So the next 15 hours from now is going to be very critical, and that's all going to depend on the CPI data report that's coming out, guys. So don't forget, remember, none of this video is financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion, and it's only for educational purposes only. So guys and gals, get ready to go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in the house. You want it. I want you to want it. So let's get it, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So let's jump into it. Let's absolutely jump into it right now. So if you guys were, if you guys missed any of my previous videos, I found this. So we found something really exciting on the Dogecoin fractal, and this could indicate that we could be having a huge breakout soon. So there's more evidence of that Dogecoin has been retesting a 300-day, downward triangle, and at some point we've seen this before. This could be the third time that we have this test level, and if we do break out above this test level, this could be absolutely a huge breakout for Dogecoin, and we really need that. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been seeing that Dogecoin has been just going down, down for such a long time. It's really important that we, Doge make some moves, guys. So overall, we're seeing that a whole bunch of consolidation is happening in the crypto space, and one of the reasons that Doge is not moving is because Doge is really just being tied to Bitcoin, and we really haven't had much catalyst out there. We really need Elon Musk out there to actually, as I said in my previous videos, I don't want to say Elon Musk has been lying to us. No, he hasn't. But he really needs to come out and say, look, the Doge 1 mission to the moon is going to happen on this date. Be very specific. And also Vitalik Buterin in terms of the Ethereum Doge bridge. And when Ethereum 2.0 is coming out, we need some clarity. We need exact dates, guys. So if we jump in the pre-markets right now, we're seeing that the pre-markets, Dow Jones is down, the S&P is down, and the NASDAQ futures is down. But it looks like all of this is going to turn red. Luckily, oil is down right now, but it looks like oil could be moving in the green zones. That's not going to be too good for you and me at the pumps right now. So if we take a look at the fear and greed is, we went from extreme fear yesterday at 22, and now we've gone up 28. So that is pretty good. We've gone up about 6 points in the last 24 hours. And a lot of that was, fueled by the whole Biden crypto executive order. I'm not going to get into that. Every influencer on YouTube has, been beating that dead cat, and that's been like the headline everywhere. Biden executive order, Biden executive order. So we all know, the short and sweet of it is that the Biden executive order came out a lot more positive than anyone expected. The government has acknowledge that crypto's here to stay, and that they want the U.S. to be innovation for blockchain technology. So that is pretty good. And, they're going to basically ask various departments out there to create a working paper, a straw man strategy in terms of regulation, how to protect consumers, and how to, track down, arrest, and incarcerate any nefarious actors out there. So that is basically the short and curly of it in a nutshell, guys. That is in a nutshell, so it's very positive. So, one of the things that worries me is, like I said, in the next 12 to 15 hours, we're going to have the CPI data and the jobless report coming out, and that is not going to be good. You can see right here that the jobless claim is coming out at 8:30 a.m. I think this will probably turn out to be good news, and then we'll have the CPI data also coming out at the same time. So I don't think this is going to be good. With the war, the inflation, the oil and gas prices going up, the fuel at the pump. This is not going to be helpful, guys. So I absolutely believe that the consumer price index is not going to be going down. It's going to be going up. So it means it's going to be costing you more at the pumps, more at the grocery store, and that is not going to be good. And that's going to have a negative impact. So expect Bitcoin to drop below $40,000. Absolutely, we could be seeing like 38,900 ish area. So get ready, buckle up, and this will probably continue on probably till like the weekend, and then Monday we'll start making some moves. But remember, typically Thursdays we see lots of pumps on Thursdays, so it's a midweek pump. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 40,877. Yesterday we hit a high of 42,200, some change out there. So we're still in our horizontal support line. A lot of that is being driven by the market makers who are taking liquidity. I've talked about that. Our W pattern is forming exactly as predicted, except we're having a little bit of a breakdown right now, and the Bitcoin is down around about 2.61% compared to where it was 24 hours ago. So expect we're probably going to be going down to probably about $38,000 for Bitcoin. And that'll probably take Dogecoin down to around about 10.5 cents, around that area. So that's what to be expected. So it looks like we could see Dogecoin price to enter a buy zone before Doge returns to 23 cents. So we're seeing that Doge price has at the very least a strong reversion setup higher in the time frame. So as I talked about yesterday, we could be seeing Doge price set up to rally more than 70% if conditions are right. So we're seeing that the conditions are forming right now. Dogecoin price has been one of the most beat up altcoins. I mean, Dogecoin has just been hammered. It's down almost like 85-90% from its all-time high. The entire crypto space, however, is in a downtrend. Dogecoin has been in a downtrend for about 300 days, as I said, and it looks like we could get some relief out there. Absolutely get some relief. The most glaring sign as an independent rally is the large gaps between bodies of weekly candles and the Tenkan Zen gaps. So, it looks like we're seeing that the Ichimoku cloud is there, and we're seeing we have some support levels right now. So we really need to see Bitcoin get above 13 cents. If Bitcoin can get above 13 cents, that is going to set us up very nicely, take us up to the next level, which is going to be historically 23 cents in the house. So that is looking pretty good. We're seeing that Bitcoin, Dogecoin, sorry, I got to get the words right, Dogecoin, when, frog in my throat, went as high as about 12.5 cents. It's come down from there. So, it is what it is, guys. We're now at 11.90. We've gone back down below my purple rain line. So that is not good. We need to stay above there. So it is because Bitcoin is going down. So expect at least, 10.5 cents to coming in if Bitcoin does collapse to 38,000. And, once again, it's just, Dogecoin has been really kind of range bound. We can see that, we've seen a topside range here of around about this level here, around about, 12.5 cents at the max. Let me just adjust that for you so it looks a bit more pretty. So we've seen about 12.5 cents at the max here. And we're seeing a range of the low side around about this level here. So, Dogecoin has just been really range bound, right, guys and gals? Range bound around about 11.5 cents to 12.5 cents. So that seems to be the range that Dogecoin is enjoying. I mean, it's really been frustrating for all of us out there. But, it is what it is. And we're just going to have to take it. And we're not going to expect anything, more momentous for Dogecoin until Dogecoin can breach past the 12.5 cents. And once we do that, then we have a good track to hit 13 cents. So that is it, guys. That's absolutely it. But if we want to see Dogecoin get up to that magical 23 cents, which is way up here. I mean, I'm squeezing this chart so low here that, I'm feeling the squeeze, guys. So, we can see if we want to get up to that magical 21 cents, we're definitely going to have to be going, we got a huge way to go. So if we measure from where we are right now to at the 20 cent level, we've got to go up like 67%, guys. Ooh, that's gonna be that's not easy, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not gonna be easy. Dogecoin is definitely gonna have to be the comeback kid. So that's why we need Elon Musk and others out there to really, start pumping out some news. That's going to be really key. That's absolutely key. I got a frog in my throat. I don't know what's going on. I think I got a hairball. I think I got a hairball from the Debbie Downer Bear, guys. The Debbie Downer Bear. So, Alien. I think I got a hairball from the Debbie Downer Bear. So we're seeing that right now. Let me give this a minty refresh. Dogecoin is not looking good right now. It's going down. We're seeing that 49% are in the money, 49% are out, and Dogecoin is looking super bearish right now, and it's really frustrating. But let's hopefully we can tolerate this downslide. We could be seeing, as I said, if Bitcoin breaks down to 38,000, we could definitely be seeing Dogecoin breaking down to around about 10.5, 10.8 area, or just around 11. So that's kind of the range I'm thinking about. But we really need. I just thought this was kind of funny. I found this tweet out there, and it's basically we got McDonald's, we got Taco Bell, we got Burger King, and Mr. Beast Burger, and all of that combined creates Dogecoin, right? So I'm loving it. So it's a kind of whimsical and funny out there. Some news that coming in right now. I've seen Solana poised for triple-digit support at 80 cents. So it looks $80. So it looks like Solana is creating a good baseline. It's had good support around about $80. So that is pretty good in the house, and we can see that this whole support line has been supporting for a very good period of time. And it looks like Solana could be breaking to the upside. And, it's not looking pretty good right now. We're down at 85.66. But I believe that Solana is going to make a break out pretty soon. And, we have this huge descending triangle here that goes all the way from the top here, goes all the way down here. And it looks like we're just getting at that apex there, and it looks like that this descending wedge here. We keep butting our heads against that, and I think that we're going to see a breakout soon. And our next target is going to be about 94 cents. So Solana is looking pretty good overall. Let's take a look at the heat map. So the heat map in the house is still looking green compared to where it was at the exact moment 24 hours ago, but on a shorter time frame, in the 4-hour time frame, it's not looking too good. So overall, we're still looking pretty healthy, but I'm really concerned about the CPI data that's coming out. So it looks like Ripple lawsuit. Look, we have a SEC commissioner that rapidly believes that the regulator won't overcome and win. So it looks like that there's more evidence coming in that SEC is going to lose the case against XRP, and I really hope that they hurry up and finalize this case in a heartbeat, because this is going to be monumental news for crypto space. I mean, I'm not a big fan of XRP. I mean, if you're an XRP holder, God bless you. I love it. More power to you. But I'm not a big XRP fan. I never have been. It's just my personal choice. Nothing to do with anything, the tokenomics and that. But if this SEC case, we absolutely win it, it is going to send a signal that's going to ripple, no pun intended, it's going to ripple through the whole crypto whole crypto world, and it will send things higher and higher. So this is going to be a really monumental case, and if we do win, the SEC is going to have to back off on a lot of other cases that it has brought forward based on the same kind of argument. So I'm really hoping that we do win, that XRP does win, because it will be a game changer for crypto right now. So this is from Blockworks. You guys all know that U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis is a big crypto maxi, and says the bill is, we have this new bill to fully integrate crypto into the financial system almost ready. So, with the Biden executive order, with the bill that Cynthia Lummis is drafting, we could be seeing that, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, it could be adopted into the financial system, and it could be mainstream. And this is really key, because if we want Bitcoin to hit that ultimate 500,000, $1 million Bitcoin, we really need to have regulation that is going to be very clear, have clarity, and that will allow institutions to start buying up Bitcoin like crazy and start aping into cryptocurrency as a whole, buying up Ethereum. And when that happens, it's going to just bring more money, more liquidity in the market, and that's going to drive the market cap up. We saw, when Bitcoin was at all-time highs, we all saw almost $3 trillion was the total market cap of cryptocurrency. So, right now we're well under, we're around about 1.8, 1.9. So we we've got a lot to go. I mean, we've got to increase almost like 40% to get there again. And I absolutely going to get there. I mean, it may not look like it right now. I mean, a lot of people are like, what's going on? But, these are cycles, right? Bitcoin and crypto has the cycles, have the ups and downs, goes up, goes down, consolidation, and then bounces back up. I mean, sometimes consolidations can take a year, guys and gals. But I think this consolidation period, and we're about in the 10th week of consolidation right now for Bitcoin. So, I think that from that perspective, we're going to see that summer is going to be going crazy right now. And, we've been in this consolidation right now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks. And we got 3 days and 12 hours. And that's going to take us in the 10th week of consolidation and range bound us. And, you have to think about consolidation. It's like a spring. It's coiling, and more pressure is added. And this spring at some point is going to have to release that tension, and it's either going to release to the upside or the downside. I am more 65%, 70%. I think it's going to be going to upside, probably 30 to 40% to the downside. So we just have to see how that plays out overall. So that is pretty good news in the house. So if we really would love to see SEC, lose the case that XRP would win. That is going to be cool news. So Cynthia Loomis is on our side. We got this bill coming, as I said. Justin, we have a new president in Korea, and this president is pro cryptocurrency. So we see a lot of dominoes starting to fall into place for crypto. We've got the Biden bill, the Biden executive order. We got the Cynthia Loomis bill. We got a pro crypto candidate in South Korea, a new president. So that is very good. We've got the war in Ukraine, and we're seeing that the utility of crypto was people were able to send donations in a very fast manner to Ukraine to help support the efforts out there, to help support them from the madman Putin. So you can see that, we're seeing a lot of dominoes falling into place for crypto. And this is really positive, absolutely positive. But, it's being overshadowed by the madman in Eastern Europe. So this came from Cointelegraph, and it looks like, higher lows, higher lows plus higher highs suggest Bitcoin to $100,000. And, and this is pretty good. And this is coming from the CEO of BitBull Capital. And this is not a lightweight. And basically saying Bitcoin is still on track to reach 100,000 by 2023, says BitBull Capital CEO. I believe it's going to be coming in summertime. I absolutely believe it's going to be coming in on summertime. So I'm so bullish about that. Let's take a look at the leverage apes, guys, and let you get out of here. So we're seeing right now we got 221 million leverage apes. That's about 52,000 traders got wrecked out there. Majority of it is, let me just change that to 24-hour time frame. So we're seeing a majority of it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Luna in the house. Luna Tuna is hitting all-time highs. Fantastic. Wave, Solana, etc. So if we take a look at the positions, most of it is shorts, and that is hopefully what is going to help maintain and drive Bitcoin going up, guys. So that is about it. Let's take a look at Ethereum price. Ethereum price has come down. It was high as $2,700 yesterday. It's come down about $30, and it's at $26.72 in the house. So we're seeing that Solana is looking pretty good. It's it's about to break out of the apex of this descending triangle. So I'm pretty bullish about that. We're seeing that Phantom is just being supported the $1.30, and I wouldn't worry about it. We're still seeing the fallout from Andre and Antoine. They went, they left DeFi and all that kind of stuff, and they left the chicken coop. So that is what that is all about in the house. So let's take a look at the total market cap right now. Give that a minty refresh. It's a great time to be alive. It's a good day, absolutely a good day out there. So the total market caps are 1.82 trillion. The volumes are picking up at 63.11. We're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is just getting higher and higher, and that's not good for the altcoins. Absolutely not good. Let's take a look at the altcoin price right now. We're seeing right now overall that the Bitcoin is still up 3.66%. We're seeing Ethereum is still up 1.55%, so that is okay. XRP is also up, and that is from the news that's circulating that SEC is going to lose their case. Luna Tuna in the house is still at $97. It's come down a little bit, and the all-time high is $103. So Luna Tuna is looking pretty good. Solana's up. ADA is up at 82 cents. It could be better. Hopefully that we'll get a turnaround pretty soon. We got a new DEX for Cardano called Mini Swap, so hopefully that will help. DOT is up as well. Doge is slightly up right now. It's turning green, slightly up, and hopefully we get ourselves back to 12 cents. So that is about it, guys. But just prepare that in 15 hours something huge is going to happen, guys. Do not forget to watch this video to the end. Smash the like, subscribe, and make a comment, guys. Make a comment, absolutely comment, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Do it right now. Go down there, smash the like, subscribe, YB. Don't forget to check out all the linky winky. Check the linkage, guys. Get the linkage and check out the NFT collection. And go and over to the wife channel. Subscribe over there. Do it right now. Do it. Show some love, guys. And on a serious, absolute serious note, don't forget to merch up. Get the merch, guys. You want the merch. I want the merch. So get it. So with that being said, guys, that brings this video to an absolute close. I want to say I love you guys. God bless you. Expect some turbulence. Expect the next 15 hours to be totally, volatile. And if the CPI data is not as good as we expect, we can see things going down, down. So God bless you. I'm working for you. I'll see you in the next one. I love it. You love it. Don't forget to comment, smash the likes. I'll see you guys. Bye.